Obusha ma adwona ma akwa ba emfa won bra se de etie ne adwumadi so AdomTV so ye frame da che hene nana yawo asante kai se Dominic si ebu a oma hene kobra sante nana twum beri ma ene yesi ohene omo na ebomechi don ma na wotwe wie ye bia ye trase na ye de adwumadi bre wo obayisa nya kwanya na nyame ye adom a kwasia da nopa ebra nonso abo apemu na wasahwe adwumadi se wo be kai a enche bia na chese NDC for empanyimfo eba abonten de nkrata beto abonten a wo kire se eyade a nomination forms ye bie mu ama nipa a wo pese wo befa nkrata bia no obetumi aba befa nkrata enti ene ye hunu se omampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama aba befa ne nkrata sa ensoso na doctor Dufo enso aba fa nkrata nipa ebinu nso aba fa mo nkrata na wo bepie mo NDC amanyokuro no mu a he is a lawyer, a legal practitioner, ono so SI director of communications edema NDC amanyokuro no your friend lawyer Kakra Essamuah ono ene mene no eba bedi enkomo na oba empanyefo omutena punechi na se oba be fa form sa ye beje mu edi ama omo a ono ene titie ni a woda no ye ba be din komo ahwese processes no so far how far na akwakodu council yes ya bokode
nana manyankopon de budu ayo ye huye
na NDC party not that
menyi me de san party mu butuma ya dawdam some time ago na ye sha say ye reorganization after the 2020 elections on na to kire den only there and when I elect one as executive officers one very aboso na odi ye hwehwe ya ibotu ya afa afoforo ya that one ya branch executive elections ya constituency executive elections ya regional executive elections ya national some ka ya on you in the same way afa general see din katia de say obedi chairman see din katia na ho a waka no ho a wonye edwuma na sisi na ato mpanyinfo nara ho na ye de horo kokko akasena first one no your internal but even those internal we are external into say you do members of parliament na presidential candidates remember na no mo hwehwe bi no why bi wo friend election committee the election committee won work parliamentary primaries and presidential primaries. Now the reason we have one committee looking after both, only the elections for both MP and the presidential candidate. Yeah, and one day, May 13, 2023, throughout the whole country.
The reason behind that one day, no, then.
Oh, first of all, it's more convenient. More convenient in terms of cost, logistics, etc. And the second, now. Some find the presidential candidate in first. Maybe no doing the work to my influence constituencies.
Okay.
The reverse is also true. If MPs in first, na asana kafa eyusa no na kasakasa yempedam yebeye minya if yedama general elections yeda boom if yafa member of parliament na president the same day. Nti here's my end this year yebeye na the same day. Inti year to election committee is wo na ya main charge say im na me chairman it na about tomorrow and you meeting come na ye dey in the Wednesday 22nd in the Thursday 23rd no china Friday 24th ye di si wo dey betin egom no biara ohwa ofata dey odi presidential candidate obada NDC ko enyim mo akọ 2024 elections omra meje kata no control needs him no water in each constituency in this country no from the hwehwe ya hwehwe na say efata na ya do election 13th May sanyame wa Adom na so delegates so offer wa now chedo all na be face whoever is coming from the other parties ibio ended that 22nd now so isum that's midnight na MPs no so who are what parliamentary candidates and so one went online until you buy a free midnight.
Okay.
So you download it and then you start the process. Etea, now I download the nomination forms, now print, now film, now submit to your constituency executive. You see, no way, Jumana, about you good area.
And so far, Nimpa do ahen wa but for but was standing as flag bearer for one party.
And the you pay bass and obey. And Yaoda, Nipa Corn Waba. Ne de bass and our bed. We know the kind of paying John Mahama. Only the kind of thing we mean because why a president that. No more the do the second person. But friend, and next Quiku Kobia.
Okay.
And next Quiku, he move beyond Mountain and but NDC. It's all been Ada or Doyen or ye, near the forms in men. If you are nature near Baby Bay, or a soft man, or say, Honorable Kujubus or Osman.
Okay.
Don't buy the Kata. It's honestly the man. Intended the new pay bass, John Mahama, or Massa Kobia, no Honorable Kujubus near the moment. Then down the page, Doctor Quabno Dufour, no Osman in pain be the one bra. Don't see a dam on come.
So we bade operabe fankrata. How do you get to know the Nimpa NDC and pass on Krata?
Monia de able to 30,000. Nephew eba sebo kwa kachi echu de oh me NDC mo Amasama constituency. Na daba the ba that set up another committee of a vetting committee.
Okay.
We are now afro. Then now, what's now Amasama constituency? You be saying painful no Amasama, Winimu. No, they are no. And pass that naked. Why would we sing in Quanchana? You know,
okay.
Someone catch it. At this stage, you miss what I'm questioning.
Okay,
we assume that the NDC instead of by fear, now by J, Krata, and Catherine. Oh, Catherine, the fabric.
Chama, and did a Krata be barbon, you who there. Some constituencies where you want to it's been on hold for reasons we are yet to know. Reasons no then.
And but the constituency no first a statement I issued no 23.
Yes. And
all the 4 account.
Yes.
It's 27.
Yes.
And yeah, party biara you are kokon you for strategy or the football. You for strategy masa. But tactics. It's your chance. Me only emperor number 2 this is here. In Kakra Essamuah, the second half, able to the number. So it is along such lines, but unfortunately, the common on Yemen now, young come. You go. That's my answer. Because
other why I'm surprised, can you there? If constituency bit the Ododio constituency is predominantly NDC one.
That is true.
And he said, Yebwe nominations, not the sitting MP for one reason. On to me in fan nominate a former. What do we want to know why?
The more common, let's see, me to be with to me waiting, you bet me and then. Yeah, strategy. You have formation every airborne. On
but it is not. It is just not a sign to as it were eliminate some people from the process.
You say statement I issue. Just hold on. Then got a member for people. I can't have this. Will be the papa and also NDC here. People, yes, woman. A church over as we have at the presidential level,
yes.
Parliamentary levels, your vetting committee. Into all my bet you are short of a vetting committee. What you should. What you should number can or no quarra. Oh no, a war bunch. The Mamma demand no how. It's a big national organization. Now, so yeah, yet for December 24. National elections. Now we are national parties here, or the Aqua, correct. Oh, here, Magara. No, here, Magana for or the Ghana food, ye for you, Zimu, had the fine. So, the Yakona say, Akasakasa and Kasakasa.
I remember the very day the General Secretary of your party or the statement in a trouble on this day, or open nomination. He says that time is of essence. Now you are holding on certain constituencies. Have you considered the time? Say, you're funny there. In the next 1 month,
man, Kasakasi. Football match, we are over how many minutes?
90 minutes.
How many times over 90 minutes prepare would you? Maybe I want for extra time being come.
Extra time.
Yes, we have accommodated all that. International Ascension. Don't forget, between now and next year, December, 2 years. Into by, let's say, end of this year, me and her candidates now fine, or even by the first quarter of next year, me and her candidates now fine. So the next year, 9 months to campaign, which is, I think, a convenient time frame.
Obobua.
Obobobia. Oh yeah, that. Oh, shame. Mama can you shame.
If you are sitting as a chairman, not in a candidate like John Dramani Mahama, ni representatives will have forms.
Yes.
Now you see the euphoria and you see almost all the big ships in the NDC sought to support. One would want to ask the question as the committee sitting on the election. Is the committee also tilted toward John Dramani Mahama?
Oh wow. You better say you meet them come. At least say share and meet them come. I tell the market want to have a man and a what would you answer the man? Ye party me ye John Mahama a party member. And Kobia or a party member. Dr. Kwabena Dufo or a party member. Kojo Bonsu or a party member. Here you may take it about so that Obiara did not come or that one thing. Be Juma about party near Woodley.
But I said,
Obiara winning. Or actually, or the one.
You know, there, this committee, even though you are working, your good aim is to see there, whatever you do as a committee, the end result will be getting the NDC into power.
Exactly.
From where you sit. You know, I feel there. What's the one kind of warm out or win them power?
So you know normally, electoral commissioners are not supposed to tell you such things. It's more portrait. So I give you to them by Menka because of where I am. I do hear the NDC from now who they. Oh, have be biara. You get fair and equal treatment.
But it's not against the party.
I promise that we'll give them that sort of fairness.
At the end, you want to see the NDC come back to power in 2024.
Portrait 9. Hey, you am better Ghana for ya
But you think about
hey, I would be in there paying pee. But if you may in the pee, they didn't pay for soup. Tell me in all honesty, as a Ghanaian citizen, that did you actually expect the Kufadu to collapse the economy of Ghana?
economy will collapse.
You know. But say here paying pee. I will punch like I walk on demonstration. What will win with that? Thank you. We haven't had good government, necessarily good governments all along. You have had military regimes. You have had civilian constitutional regimes. When you have the money, and I'm over. But it will be including military regime, pensionless. What got demonstration that? I will win with that. I want to have a gun harder. It will be what can I show the treasury bill, and I will born. What told it will be that. In the economy, I don't know why I fed them. Oh, well, you know, I need that. Make a yana, make a Ghana for. You did that new work for do. What's it? So, yeah, me and KG 2 in December 2024. The Ghana that I was born into will collapse.
Will collapse.
Look at even the education system. I remember 3 times in a year. Master, with all the greatest respect to you, say assistant main member. So what I say, catch
education system in that.
What I say, what to go through January? I'm a February. At me that. I will go sooner than not.
No, into them.
There should be predictability. There should be predictability in all the things that the state participates in.
If the educational structure no says here, because we have a minister there and he's trying his best, will you say there his best is not enough?
His best.
Another the man in that particular seat, you know, is not to tax.
Both. Am I saying, hey, Minister of Education. Both.
Onyade.
Ho! Listen, you're paying P. I was secondary school. I called double.
Manko double track.
Just one for the oil flower. And I wouldn't be in. Well, because we knew him, and I only had one baby. Oh, when Ikufado came, let John Mahama's will see 200 secondary schools. There's a debate as to how many he completed. Only he night as yeah, politics. All he needed to do was that look, free education. It's not really free because we pay it from our taxes.
Yes.
So it's getting you are, Master, me to move. Inti, maybe there 200 schools now, John Mahama you see. I Ghana is going to do see. But what should we see? But Miss Ria, may secondary education day free. Or what I will buy a board day biara, you go to ya. One and wouldn't you? Then I have to Ghana. Come one no, but I never go boarding school in the Tingakuma. Moko, never go boarding school where Uberation, one man and Pamwada do. I mean, it's man a period I've been in. No one's me to ya. One and over to India.
The late Prof. Mills, in the time, we had a committee or year them review, thinking that that review could find some space. As at the time, I John Dramani Mahama or Baba Fair, as a legal practitioner, do you think there it is quite time we look at our constitution one time again?
Professor Mills now bring your Germany. I don't hear so once any baby no ye or set up committee. Professor Fiaju Sakaya, and he went round. It cost money to do that. You could take Ghana for when some the if the president or the man operated them. What show we? Where in report? MP before the court, Supreme Court, that the president has no right to do that. Who have now? There was nothing that Professor Mills did or John Mahama did that Akufo-Addo praised. You've forgotten, not one. Now he wants us. What has he done when he has destroyed this country?
Why destroy country?
Let's go on. And see, let's assume that Professor Mills and John Mahama failed with amending the constitution. He is not, Akufo-Addo is not interested in doing anything about the constitution. Because he knows he can maneuver his way around it and be a tyrant, which he is right now. It can be as well.
Using the word tyrant.
I know what that word means. What that word means.
For the caliber of person you are using the word.
Does he listen to you people? Does he listen to his own MPs? Answer me. Oh, you're Ghanaian, and you are not just a journalist.
But even they won't take any MPs.
Does he?
He does.
Hey, now what kind of what did he do?
But he invited them and had a
chat
with them.
MPs that I the man said that. I'm also saying you into one day. When you know I now you come to why? You also a human being. You should be respected.
They came out to tell us the reasons why they decided
they
to
fear him
on their side.
They're totally terrified of this man. I am not.
That's what you
they
think.
don't need to tell me. No, they should papa here. Do you have to tell me?
Well, it was a lawyer, Kakra Essamuah, Edin Komo. You better try one. I was trying to say by a tour and common so ewaha many private legal practitioner, lawyer, Kakra Essamuah, or no a director of communications. Adom NDC Amanyukuru now with PMO so no as I had a chairman for the election committee in the NDC or no and I mean no the NDC officially ababontin the few nominations the president has done, the minority in parliament should not approve these people. Why that stand?
But Jopi, the statement, you have reasons who. At least statement in had now reasons are man two standouts. One is that a man of
size of government.
Yes, it's reduce the number of ministers because you can collapse some of them and add up.
For example,
your transport or the railways, there were communications, there were information. Oh, no communication information. So wouldn't that one? Let me use only that one. I don't want to go too far. What to the PR boom? That's one reason.
Okay.
The other reason is also that on the ham sikasama, why a basani? These things cost money. It is in your own interest that every year, so that we use far less money to run a system, which when it's being run, is also a drain on the economy.
But the government is telling you that it's taking some level of salary cuts, and so salary cuts.
Don't talk too much.
You come back to the same thing.
Now, politics is not anyangoye. No yebushambo. The Nakufadu, I signed a Ghana for about 2 Obama. The politics, I sent my papa in the Canada over yet. On the no ye now, ye do nothing. He complained about the size of government in Professor Nelson's time.
Sure.
We have no right to complain about what he's doing. We don't even have to argue. What's not kind? The Professor Nelson's time, now inflation of 52%. No, we are there. Let's assume that we are there. Every now, yeah, debt restructuring. Now, because of this, so. You can get a jama. You can get to Abamo. Why is there? Here, the answer, and now on or you're deaf. One of the two. I don't understand. Is that what we expect from a president who was elected by us? Is that what we expect for him? As I said, no, because I'm a pay a job there. You have to Abamo. The reason for which we voted for you, I should be happy.
Do you think that the next NDC government would want to cut down the size of government?
Oh. For when you're ready. Remember, can you? Between me and your chance, I mean, you didn't come about for another free. You won't pay Dutchna, even now you're over. That's when you're ready.
Would there be a cut?
Basically, for when you're then shady. We didn't have Minister of Communications and Information.
Sure.
I intentionally gave you that example.
One thing that this MPP government has done good, I knew. One thing. Yes.
It will be a catcher. Most of my property. It will be a then. Oh, fight. A comedy and then I address will be the chapel. I think that. A comedy and me now here under your shade beneath. She can I eat on Suyan. Also, we see chapel down prior to a practice. In which nation in the world? Now we elect government to build churches. Have you heard so before? Meanwhile, the you're a journalist, so you know. The Church of Pentecost has actually built a prison and donated it to the government.
Yeah.
Why not catch what I could chop into the trouble? When I not kind of answer the church. Who told him that?
Is the NDC afraid of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
When you say afraid, what do you mean?
Of him becoming the next flag bearer for the MPP and contesting head-to-head with
in the NPP.
Yes.
Both to my bed or with the president. And you to Monsieur Biakon. You so But and I'll tell you why we don't fear anybody. They have performed so badly, and it has affected everybody's integrity and standing in the eyes of this country. What people want for Biarambra. You are used to it.
You don't fear Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Most you know why that. Papa, I can say them on the Muslim. No, you know why that. Because one man, no, he may have horns. Does he have horns? Has he got claws? No, you're so why. No, tell me, you're so why. The Obejon no Casa. Ghana in Europe to about on Shana Brabu. Also, Dr. the Bamian, I met him to about. How? Is that how Ghanaians are? Them not Ghana for water. Nana ya no abano. Ah, no afa papa. Mankasa ya boto aba. Atibida. Why should I fear you? We are not afraid of anybody.
Romo Biba until the director of communication for the NDC.
Amy.
There, anywhere their communicators go, they should mention the name of Baumia.
Amy. Them can't NDC communicators. Is that what they are saying?
Yes.
The Amy them can answer the job.
Yes.
Anytime
you sit on any platform, make sure that you mention the name of Baumia.
Please, I don't have time for that, Dr. Baumia. Dr. Baumia as a human being is not policy. He's just a human being. It's a policy being one that I can. Oh, Nana, you better go. That's what I'm going to say. They be asking industrialization, trade. It's, what have we done about roads?
He's a good digital man.
Digital. Didn't he come and meet the infrastructure? What has he added to it? You should tell me. What has you're a journalist, what has Dr. Baumia added to the infrastructure, digital infrastructure in this country? On country.
But under his watch, we were able to see mobile money interoperability.
And what is that? No, what did he levy to do? Oh no. Bema, untum can you levy once. Where you know what's no. It's a coward. He should speak about you levy if he's a man. Go and tell him that I said it.
The vice president.
Yes, if he's a man, he should speak about you levy because we know his views on it prior to the introduction of you levy.
Is he not still standing by the same view?
I wouldn't know. Nana, I said all okay, you levy once I'm there.
He had his own view on the e-levy before the implementation.
In that day, 23rd February 2023, since all the e-levy last year, I said all the canon was some of that. May know what pass along.
Yeah.
It was me.
Yeah.
I said that Dr. Baumia, oh, e-levy now was the part of the digitalization agenda. Someone had said, oh, my papa, more than money is can ever. I said all okay that. When you see a coward, say so. And you say, me, I'm afraid of you. Or the NDC is afraid of you. Hey, you NDC well.
Well, that have been the rumor in town. So you see most of the communicators when they sit, and then the next thing is that Obama we destroy economy, Obama we destroy economy. So people are not really even mentioning the name of the president that the people voted for.
You know the Woyome case?
Yes.
Tell me exactly what happened.
He won a contract.
From where?
Kufuor's regime.
Thank you very much. And then what happened?
So by and large,
or when you contracting by one time.
Kufuor time.
Why not cancel contracting?
Oh yeah, Kufuor time no
Thank
cancel
you. Never see.
It resulted in judgment then.
No other than other court today. My contract, my counsel without legal recourse to me.
Yes.
Inti, Mumfetika, or the Madam Mumfama, or the court, and I'm a now court here then.
Court card on chairman.
Now, judge now, okay, won't you, man. The man, what you, the musical man, on the people would do.
But I also remember President Mills card there won't you.
That's a different matter. Mr. Damasaman, it was a court that ordered the money to be paid to Woyumi. I can't tell and I know them now.
Yes.
Only the NPP were there campaign. What you may baby what studios what told them that what then what saw now that judge now all day. They want to a man for which we were blamed. Ekufuor, so I Supreme Court judge. Are you aware of that?
But he was discharging his duty as a.
Thank you very much. So why do you even criticize the man who got the money? Did you go and steal it? But the was it? As my Canadian. And I'm he thought that this is 1 plus 2. It's about being or 2. Yeah. Man can't buy at the bank. No, don't get me wrong. The man did not go and steal any money. And I tell you, we will be. Amanda, we don't face the truth and say it boldly. If we do, nti no ne emi na ho yiri jare ho ndi iti wo back hospital malaria won tumi ne dura ebe den catch bad ne be won't you take him to another hospital? You will let him stay there and die?
No.
Don't give excuses for incompetence. Don't give excuses ever for uselessness. Never ever in your life. Don't ever do that. The problem we are having in this country is that we now have a set of politicians in government who have no sense of shame.
No sense of shame.
None at all. Obi anenye twade, senani MPs kacha onye particular minister edi, obi unity at once.
Tebuja ma menya ha, nyame Adom a ye woda se ne. Efrem da che hene nana ya o. Asante. Good evening.